This is Arvin Alonso demonstrating to you how to use Moodle for a mobile phone. So first, you can have this one. If you have a shortcut for Lens at CSU Andrews in your screen, you can do so. The other option is you go to your Google search, type lens.csu.andrews.net. So you now have the welcome screen of CSU Lens. The first thing that you're going to do is to click Login, type the username, and then the password, and then click Login. You are now in the home page of CSU Lens. So the first thing that you can see are site announcements. The admin welcomes you to CSU Learning Environment Network System and other announcement posted by the administrator. Of course, you can make use of the search courses if you want to search for certain courses where you would like to enroll in. You also have the list of courses that you are currently using, and then the different course categories, the different colleges. Say, for example, College of Business Entrepreneurship and Accountancy. Then you select the program you are in, and then your year level, and then what SEM are you in right now. Under each semester, the courses are being displayed. You can also make use of search if you have hard time searching for the course. Say, for example, statistical analysis. You type it and then click go. Then there are a lot of statistical analysis being offered, so you select the appropriate course by looking into the course code or class code of the subject you would like to enroll in. Say, for example, B0094. And then if you have the self-enrollment key, your professor has given you the enrollment key, you can now enroll yourself by typing the enrollment key. After typing, you can click the Enroll Me button. Take note that other faculty members or professors would do the manual enrollment of their students. So if you are in the environment of Lens, if you are in the home page, you can click on this button so that you can see the home, dashboard, calendar, and other links that you can utilize for your CSU Lens. So for example, dashboard. The dashboard will display the different courses you are enrolled in. So you can just browse downward or upward. You also have the calendar, where it allows you to see the due dates of the different activities such as quizzes, assignments, forum. And of course, you have other links such as your courses. Aside from looking into your dashboard, and if you are done, you can click on your name and then click log out.